got the J Black, all hell breaks fucking loose. This nigga disappears for weeks on end and starts getting high. Starts getting mad at me because I told him we putting this on the back burner. Let's be a team and promote these niggas shit. And then we'll be right back. What up, YouTube? This your boy Down Low back for another reply. This one is to the game, Uncle Otis. I got to say that this song is very reminiscent of 50 Cent's How to Rob. But yet the difference is simple. 50 Cent's was well done, well organized, put together just right, with one common message. While this Uncle Otis seems thrown together and sloppy. So as a song, this shit is hot trash. And no one would ever listen to it if he wasn't talking so controversial. Like, I mean, him coming out dissing Jay-Z the way he did, he got some merit to it. Like, if you listen to Kanye's first album, the very last track, you can tell the undertones that Jay-Z did not want to sign Kanye because he thought he was lame. So he has a good point there, but what the fuck does that mean to you, game? Once he starts jumping from subject to subject to subject, he's also touching on some very interesting topics, like that chick V Nasty, who is going to get fucked up. And I don't care how ghetto or how hood she is, but you got to understand the rap game. The rap game tries dudes gangsters all the time just to see if you are for real. And being a white chick with gold teeth that rap, you're a dead giveaway that you're not real. And I don't care how many bodyguards you keep on you. If dudes got to Waka Flocka, they gonna get to you. You eventually is gonna have to go out on tour to try to make money. You turned yourself into a target for 10 seconds of fame. Congratulations. This overall is an attempt to get some attention. Because if you look at the rap game, man, the way it works, whoever steps out of line and says the craziest shit is the person who's getting the media coverage. Look at Rick Ross. He think he's Big Meech. You know how many times that song got played because he said some outlandish shit? That is basically how this game works. And the game is trying to take advantage of it.